How did a creature from 150 million years ago possess both dinosaur and bird-like traits? The Archaeopteryx fossils reveal a mix of avian features, like its wings, three-clawed hands, and non-avian characteristics, such as teeth. But what's truly remarkable is that this creature didn't grow like modern birds do. It developed at a pace more similar to small dinosaurs, which means rapid growth to adulthood was actually an innovation of later bird evolution. And yet, despite these contradictions, Archaeopteryx remains the clearest link between theropod dinosaurs and the emergence of birds as we know them today.